Hey, fam. How are you? It's Sharice Holder, your home and life design strategist, owner of Transformations Home and Life, and author of Interior Joy. Welcome to this video on window treatments. Now, I know when you're out shopping for window treatments, you're just looking for the right color, maybe the right pattern, and it's got to be the right length, right? When you're getting those off-the-shelf treatments. Well, there's just at least one or two other things you should consider so that you will get the right look and feel for your space. In this video, these quick tips are going to help you. Enjoy. Hello, fam. Welcome to Quick Tips on Window Treatments. Now, window treatments can be one of those areas that can be a little frustrating depending on your windows. And sometimes you have the larger windows, the taller windows. Some windows go from floor to ceiling. I've seen hundreds and hundreds of different homes and the different variety of window treatments. So we want to talk a little bit, some quick tips on the window treatment headers, the hardware, and what are the best treatments for what situation. So here is a basic window treatment. This is pretty common, this style of window treatment. This is called the rod pocket, as you can see here. Basically, you're going to slide the rod right into the pocket of the window treatment. This works well for casual settings. It's still very elegant. It can go either casual or a little more formal. It really depends on you, the mood you're trying to create, and what you want for your space. So these are just guides, not hard and fast rules, just some information to help you as you're trying to select your window treatment. So that's the rod pocket. Then you can see here, this is called the ring top. So again, we're talking about headers on the window treatments, what's going on at the top and how they hang. So with ring tops, these are great in this particular style, very relaxed and very elegant. And so that is the ring top where you're literally adding the rings onto the window treatments. Now this is a ring top with the clip, relaxed, elegant, very casual, and you're going to add the rings directly onto the window treatment. Now this is actually a rod pocket panel, a rod pocket curtain panel that's attached by just clipping the rings on. So again, a little more relaxed and very elegant. Now we have the tab top. So here you see the rod slides right through the tab. Now, I do want to share some differences and some things to think about when you are purchasing your window treatments. Then when you'll notice here with the rod pocket, and the rod goes right through the top of the pocket. Here you'll notice that the rod itself, there's less rod that is showing. So sometimes you have rods that are very decorative and very pretty, and maybe you want a little bit more of the rod to show. So a rod pocket may not be the best option if you want to have a very decorative rod to show. So the rings, as you can see, will show the rod very well. Much more of the rod is exposed. Sorry, the tab tops will also show more of the rod, as you can see here. Okay. Now here is a ring top, and the top of the panel has a 2-finger pleat. That is what this is called, the 2-finger pleat. Now the 2-finger pleats are much more formal than the tab tops, are a little more formal than the rod pocket. These are great for formal spaces, any area where you want to have a little bit more of an elegant, formal feel to the space. Now here are your rings. This is just one example of a ring. And you'll notice you have the ring and then a little small ring at the bottom. This is where the ring is going to attach to the curtain once you slide the ring onto the rod. So here's an example of the hooks that are used on the back of the window treatments. And then they hook right into that little small circle, the small circle here of the ring. Very simple, very simple. Here's another example of another ring that has another O-ring attached to it so that the hook can go right into the ring. Now here is an example of a hidden tab. So instead of the tabs being at the top of the window treatments, they're actually behind the window treatment. Sometimes you'll find curtain panels that have 3 different options. You can it's a rod pocket. You can clip the ring on top, and it may also have tabs on the back. And here's what the tabs look like on the back of the window treatment. So it creates a very soft fold, very relaxed and elegant. So that's a great option as well. Now let's take a look at grommet tops. Grommet tops are very, very popular. And we're talking about window treatments that are off the shelf. So we're not talking about custom-made drapery. That is another world all in itself. The options are limitless because they're custom-made. So you're selecting your fabric, you're creating your own design styles, and you're having them custom-made. These are treatments today that I'm referring to are off-the-shelf window treatments. Now here are the grommets, the grommet top, and these can be used for very elegant settings, very also casual settings. They can go either way. Now here's an example of the grommet top. You can get grommets in different colors. So this one has the black. I think this is the matte black grommets, as you can see here. Here we have gold grommets, and here we have silver grommets. So you actually do have options of what color grommets. Now, honestly, when I buy window treatments, if I'm looking for a grommet top, I don't really pay too much attention to the color of the grommet. But if you want to get really detailed, you can certainly do that and match the grommet to the color of your rod. Let's take a look at different curtain lengths. Here, this is the length that's called a tailored length. It's more tailored. And I have titled this, it just kisses the floor, just slightly touches the floor. So these are used again for casual settings, elegant settings, much more streamlined. You have a little more control on how the curtain will lay. And this is my favorite. I love where it's just a tailored look and it just literally just kisses the floor. Then the option to drape the floor. So here, this is a very a small drape, if you will. Only about 1 to 2 inches of length is actually on the floor. These are very relaxed and very elegant. I consider these a little dressier, and you can put these in a casual space or in a more formal space. They will look nice either way. And then here we have a more dramatic look. I call it the puddle. So here you're going to have at least 3 to 4 inches of the window treatment on the floor. Great for more formal settings, very romantic, very elegant. Now, that's not to say that you can't use it in a casual space as well. Again, it's all about what you like. So we're just giving a few guidelines, and those are my quick tips for window treatments. Hopefully you have got a little more information, paying a little closer attention to the headers on your window treatments to determine what's the best style for you. And please don't forget to like, to subscribe to this YouTube channel. My goal is to share as much information as I can with you to help you live the life that you desire to live. So again, thank you so much for joining me, Cherise Holders, Designing Home and Life. And I look forward to seeing you again.